What is restorative justice for bullying? Have you ever wondered how schools can effectively handle bullying while also promoting healing? Restorative justice for bullying is an approach that aims to repair harm and restore relationships instead of just punishing the person who bullied. This method involves everyone affected by the bullying, including the person who bullied, the person who was bullied, and sometimes even other students or teachers. The focus is on understanding, accountability, and healing. The main goal of restorative justice is to help the person who bullied understand why their actions were wrong and how they impacted others. At the same time, it supports the person who was hurt by the bullying. This approach aims to change behavior and rebuild trust, creating a safer and more respectful environment in schools. Unlike traditional methods that often rely on punishments like suspension or detention, restorative justice creates a space for open dialogue. In this setting, individuals can express their feelings and discuss what happened. Trained adults often facilitate these meetings, guiding everyone through the process. They help participants talk about the impact of the bullying and agree on steps to make things right. This method is especially beneficial in schools because it promotes care, respect, and responsibility among students. By addressing the root causes of bullying and power imbalances, restorative justice helps prevent future incidents. It encourages a supportive school environment where differences can be resolved constructively. Research shows that restorative justice can reduce instances of bullying and victimization. It improves relationships and lowers the chances of repeated harmful behavior. This approach also helps ensure fair treatment in school discipline, moving away from zero-tolerance policies that may unfairly impact certain students based on their background. For teenagers, restorative justice means having a chance to be heard and to understand the effects of their actions on others. It encourages taking responsibility and making amends, which can lead to stronger friendships and a better school community. If you find yourself involved in bullying, whether as the person who bullies or the person who is bullied, restorative justice offers a supportive way to address the issue. In practice, restorative justice for bullying might include a facilitated conversation where the person who bullied listens to how their actions affected the other person. They may agree on ways to repair the harm, such as offering apologies or engaging in community service. Support for the person who was bullied is also crucial, ensuring they feel safe and valued. In some cases, one-on-one meetings with a trained adult may be arranged if face-to-face conversations are too challenging. This approach helps build stronger social skills and healthier relationships among teenagers, making schools better places for everyone involved.